OMG, didn't see you guys there. What's up? You're just in time. Make some espresso with me. Wanna help? Yeah. Let's see how to make it. What you wanna do is get your espresso. Scoop in. If you're making 4 cups, you'll scoop to the 4 symbol, or number. If you're making 2 cups, you'll scoop to the 2. I don't know if you can make 1, but you don't need to like pack it in there. You just put it in. Make sure none of it's on the sides. Bam. Espresso in the hatch. Machine. And click it over this way. Perfect. This starting on the left side. Put it in there and move it to the locked position. There's a little lock right on. Put your espresso can away. Take off the boiler cap, twisting it to the open position and pulling up. And then continuing to twist and pull. Oops, oops, oops. Looks like someone did not pressurize the machine last time they used it. I'll teach you how to do that too. You get your water. If you're making 4 cups, you put the water to this line.
Got the water.
Pour it in the top of the espresso machine. You take off the boiler cap and it's just a little hole right there. It's metal. You put it on. Coffer, or whatever it's called. Coffer. Carafe. That's what it's called. Carafe. Cafefe. And turn it on. Oh, make sure it's at 3. It says it will take 2.5 to 3 minutes. Push it back and wait for your espresso. Look at it coming out. Lots of steam. As you can see, espresso's ready. So there are a couple steps that you need to take to finalize this espresso journey. First, you take the espresso coffer out and set it somewhere else. Take a mug. You must depressurize the machine. You do this by switching this over to this side, to the steam side, and releasing the steam from here. I don't really know why. Then you can release this slowly. It's important that you do all of this because it could explode.
It could explode.
Don't not do it. Next, you turn the machine off, and you take this out. It's very hot. Be careful. This little thing flips up and keeps the coffee thing in here. Don't forget to take this out because that's disgusting and rude. You go to the trash can and scoop out the leftover espresso. If you don't do this, I'll be mad. It smells weird. This isn't like a coffee machine where you can just leave your grinds in there for all hours. Flip this back down. Rinse it in the sink. Rinse it in the sink. Be careful, it's probably gonna be hot. Rinse the inside. Make sure you get it all with a sponge. We don't want this thing growing mold. Clean it. Get these all dry, because we also don't want a rusty machine. Put them together. Maybe keep that just there. Simple enough. Whenever you keep this open and on the on part, whenever you go to make espresso next, make sure it's all the way back in the non-steam, or else it will mess you up. I'll do a later tutorial about how to use the little steamer, but I don't know yet because I only make iced coffee. I'm gonna tell you how to make a drink. This is now how you make a nice drink. So if you wanted to just make a latte, you would put in 2 parts milk for every 1 part coffee. But I don't want to do that because I want coffee. Oops, I just spilled. Take your milk, put ice in the cup, filled it up about this way with coffee. Vanilla almond milk here. You take your espresso and you pour in however much you want to pour in. See, now it's at 3. Take your straw, mix it up. Then you clean the spills. Put your almond milk back in the fridge so it doesn't go bad. And there you have it. Half latte, half coffee. Have a blessed day.